Good morning, students. Yesterday, I have told you to just read out this lesson. That is lesson number 1, our environment. Our environment. So, today I am going to explain you the first page of this lesson. So, can anyone tell me what is environment? Yes, environment means all the things which comes in our surroundings, which we see in our day to day लाइफ. हम जो रोज़ की चीज़ें देखते हैं हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में, जैसे कि ट्रीज, बर्ड्स, प्लांट्स, रॉक्स, सॉइल्स, लेक, रिवर्स और एनीथिंग विच वी सी इन आवर हाउस, it comes under our environment. Now look at the pictures alongside. What we have to do? We just have to look for the pictures here. So what are the pictures? See, first one, anyone can recognize this. This is a bat. What is it? This is a bat. This is a earthen pot. This is a thread, and this is a teacup. You can easily name all these things. Yes, we can easily name these things because we know these things. We are seeing these things daily. What materials are they made from? We also know from which material they are made from. Bat, it is made from wood. Cup, it is made from ceramic. Thread, it is made from cotton. Pots are made from sand. So, these are the things which we know. Where do we find these materials? What are the uses of these materials? Now, we also know from where do we get these materials and what are the uses. Means the materials which we get, we make things from that materials are like pots, bats and many more things we can make. This is the examples. You can name these things too. Now, can you name these things? Yes, we can name these things too because we see these things regularly. Where do we find them? Now, where do we find these things? Fruits. Where do we find? Nearby plants. Or what are they used for? They are used for eating. Yes or no? These things you can find in the market. Take a look around. Now, you have to just take a look in this picture. Just see in this picture, there are many things around us. You know, there are many things. हमारे आजू बाजू में डेली लाइफ में बहुत सारे थिंग्स होते हैं. They form our environment. And what do they form? They form our environment. There are stones and rocks and soils. Okay? Now, the most important thing we see in our environment are stones. So, this is the picture of stones, rocks and soil. You know what are the rocks, what are the stones and what is the soil. We see this in our environment. There are rivers and streams. Now, there are also rivers. Rivers you see whenever you go outside from over the bridges, you can see the rivers are flowing. What are the streams? Now, streams is the small area through which the water flows. And lakes, that also you know. There is air. Air. Can anyone tell me what is the air? Have you seen the air? No. Only we can feel the air. We can breathe in and breathe out the air. There are hills and mountains. There are big hills and there are big mountains. Now, there are jungles. So, you have seen in your TVs also, or if you go outside for a fun or to see the big trees. If you see the big trees, where are these big trees found? These big trees are found in the jungles, in a very dense area. Okay, in the jungles there are big animals also. There are fields and houses and roads and also barren lands. If we see in the surrounding, we will see there are fields, houses and the roads, fields, houses. These are the daily things which we see in our surrounding, and also barren lands. Now, barren lands means, what are the barren lands? Means there is no vegetation. Means we cannot grow anything on that barren lands. nor fruits, nor plants, nothing, nothing. They are just open. We cannot grow anything in that barren lands. Now we also see many different animals around us. In our daily life we also see many different animals around us. Okay, like cat, dog, buffalo, goat, or many more things. Different types of trees and bushes and climbers make the environment beautiful. Now different types of trees. If you see in a nearby areas, you can see many trees. They are of different shapes, they are of different size, they are of different colors. In daily life you can see this. So there are bushes also. Now what are the bushes? Bushes are a small cluster of shrubs which grows in a single plant. Okay, bushes are a small cluster of shrubs. It grows in a single plant. वो एक सिंगल प्लांट में बहुत सारा ऐसा क्लस्टर होके ग्रो होता है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? bushes. And what are the climbers? A plant that attaches itself, such as it takes a support of a wall. क्लाइंबर्स कौन से होते हैं? वो जो प्लांट जो ग्रो होते हैं, लेकिन वो किसका सपोर्ट लेते हैं? वॉल्स का सपोर्ट लेके वो ग्रो होते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? क्लाइंबर्स. And all these trees make our environment very beautiful because they are of different colors, shapes and sizes. We too are a part of this environment. We are also the part of this environment. Okay, understood everyone? Now tomorrow we will see the next page of this chapter. Thank you.